This is a video where I want to talk about the Shopify Help Center, okay? Shopify Help Center is an amazing resource. If you ever run into a challenge or have a question, please check the Shopify Help Center before sending me your question. This way I have more time to dedicate to creating new lectures or updating lectures and creating new videos. The link to the Shopify Help Center is help.shopify.com. And like I said, this is if you go there, it should look something like this. This is an amazing resource, guys. You can pretty much search anything about Shopify in here. For example, if you want to learn about discounts, or you want to learn about, maybe you want to learn about domains or navigation, you could just search that in here. Like, for example, discounts. If I type in discounts, you can see here, creating a discount code FAQs, creating automatic discounts, combining discounts, marketing and discounts, managing discount codes. You can find anything about anything. Navigation, understanding navigations, menus, and links. So sometimes navigation can be confusing for people. So if you search here, understanding navigation, and you click that, I mean, look at all these sub-menus that you can go, default menus, comparing navigation in different themes. It will walk you through all these things. Sometimes they have videos too. Look, understanding different menu styles. They even have videos that you can watch, and it walks you through a lot of the things that I've taught you, but probably even in a better way because it's done even more professional than my videos. So please check this out whenever you have questions. I guarantee it will be helpful. But if you can't find your answer in here, feel free to reach out to me.